Hey everyone, welcome to our live. So we're going to start with a piece of fabric and fusible interfacing. Cut out 8x8 square and iron them together. And then I am going to head over to my Cricut machine, place it on my Cricut mat. I have a doggy that I'm going to have cut out that looks like the baby shower dog. So here it is, cutting it out. I used fusible fabric for the selection. The end, super easy. Peel out your little applique, super cute. Then I'm going to cut an 8x8 square of the other fabric and sew all the way around with a zigzag stitch, just like this. Make sure it stays nice, beautiful. There we are, finished product. Now I have crinkle material we're going to use, and I'm going to also cut out 8x8 of this. Super easy to cut. This is our backing. It's a nice soft fleece, 8x8 as well. Then you're gonna have different colored ribbons. I did 5 inches of each, and then I ironed them in half. And we're gonna put the crinkle fabric and then our top fabric. We're gonna lay out the ribbons how we want them. The open side is towards the outside, folded side towards the middle. And I find it easier if once we do this, you pin it down all the way around, because it's very hard to bring this to your sewing machine without having pins in. And I did 3 on each side. I thought it looked pretty balanced. Pin them in, and then you're gonna sew a 1/4 inch all the way around straight stitch. Voila, here we go. Clean up my edges a little bit. Now I'm laying my fleece on top, and we're gonna put the right sides together here. You're gonna sew again all the way around straight stitch, leaving a 2-inch opening. You're gonna turn it inside out, and then you're gonna do one final top stitch around straight stitch, close the knot up, and there's your crinkle baby blanket. Enjoy.